Please subscribe to Brick in the Philippines.
To the provinces.
If you compare here then to Manila, expensive to live in Manila.
It's expensive and very dangerous.
You remember when we go there?
Mm.
The transpo, how much? 25, 20?
It's a lot.
But here, 5 pesos, 7 pesos, 8 pesos. Right.
Yeah. It's like anywhere. Some things are expensive, some things are cheap. If you're an alcoholic, you can come here and pickle your liver very cheaply. If you smoke, you can come and smoke yourself to death, can't you, babe? Very cheaply. But the food, as long as you eat Filipino food, it's cheap. But if you go for the Western stuff, like you want to eat out at McDonald's or Jollibee every day, it's not going to be cheap. And of course anything imported, like from the US, which a lot of stuff is imported from the US, you're going to be paying premium money. But I know one foreigner and his wife, they always shop at SM. They never shop anywhere else. But of course he's got a big budget. He's on a lot of money because he's ex-service. Which is great if you can do it. There you go. Hello. Oh, look at this. Look. Meat. Chicken. And fish. Right on the back door. So, when we get back to the party, it's probably going to be dark, so I'll try and take something if there's any light outside, but I don't think there will be, guys. But we'll see. Yeah, there might be some lump here. Might have some lump here. Put you there for the minute. It's a bit different this time, guys. It's all lit up. Looks like the party started.
Because it's not
But it's still quite dark.
It's not a kids party, that's why.
No, it's an adult party. But there's lots of kids here. Hello. Oh, you look very beautiful. Hello. So let's go and have a look. Hello. Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Hi, Grandma.
Hello. 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 Where's the birthday boy? Hello. Where's the birthday boy? Hello, my friend. How are you? Happy birthday.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Hello. 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 Oh, we've got plenty of food. Is that pig's blood? Is that blood? Blood? Yeah. Pass. Pass. So again, birthdays, there's always music. I've got to be careful with the music because they'll shut my video down. So look at this. I don't know what these are. What are these, Mal? Macarons. I don't know what that is. I'm still no wiser. So he's got 3 cakes. And my God, he's 53 and I'm 58. He's older than me. He's younger than me. What? Look at all the ladies here, look, you see? I bet there's some single ones as well, guys. So, my favourite, but with high blood, gotta be careful, chicken. And that's sweet. Can't remember what they call that. It is nice, but obviously fattening.
Here's the plate.
Thank you. Right, I'm gonna have a bit of food. So we'll see you in a moment.
It's a shrimp.
I know. Very nice. What's that called again?
Salad. Macaroni salad.
Macaroni salad, yeah. See, salad. Yeah, it's pig's blood, no thanks. Macaroni salad, or rather salad, wouldn't look like that where I come from.
Do you want to eat?
I'm gonna have a bit of something, yeah. What's that? Is that liver?
No, it's a meat. Pork meat.
Pork,
It's nice.
kind of
Yeah, it's
pork.
meat. It's not us.
Right, we're gonna have to finish off, guys, because they keep playing music and I'm gonna get it shut down. I can't seem to get to a point where they're not playing music. That's gonna get me shut down. So here's beautiful Annie.
Hello.
And this is, what's your name? What's your name and where do you come from? No,
Ate, you forgot my name?
no, but they don't know your name, do they? What's your
You know
name?
my name?
I know your name. What's your name? You don't want to say? You shy?
Grande.
Okay. So, what you find in the Philippines is this. The guys will be in one room drinking and eating, and then the girls will be in this room. So, you can see that there's some nice ladies here. So I've made some new friends this year. Look at these fine looking men. Hey? Fine group of men here. So, what's your name, sir?
I'm Ed.
Hi, Ed.
Ed.
And what's your name, sir?
I'm Joey.
Joey?
Yes.
Are you sure? You weren't sure there.
I'm Jan.
Hi,
I
Dan.
am Jan.
And that's Willie. And this young man's a retired police lieutenant.
Police Lieutenant Edmond Damito from the Philippines. Hello,
Yeah.
my friend.
Sir, what's your name?
Benji.
And you're retired police, yeah? Yeah. So the fine group of men, they've made me feel very welcome and I appreciate it. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you. How about, excuse me, sir.
That's Willie. I've just said it's Willie. It's Willie. It's Willie. He's retired army. He's supported the Philippines. Thank you, sir. Your name, sir? Good evening. What's your name, sir?
Ronnie.
Ronnie. Hi, Ronnie.
Robin.
Robin. And this is Bill. Hey, Bill.
Paul.
Hi. We were having a drink and a good conversation the other night. This guy's English is brilliant.
You met him last Monday.
Yes, I did. Yeah, I've actually met him before, and I forgot I'd met him before. But we've met before. So I'm gonna wrap it up now, guys. So this is it for another video. So if you want to see yourselves, it's a Brit in the Philippines. Okay. So check yourselves out and see you on my YouTube channel. Yeah.
Yes.
See you guys. Thank you.
Thank you, my friend.
Bye, guys. Bye, guys. Thank you. So that's it. Oh, you're saying goodbye. Goodbye. So I'll find my wife and we'll do the wrap up. So here she is. It's over to you, Mel.
Please hit the like button and please subscribe and share our videos.
And don't forget to visit our website, BritInThePhilippines.com, guys. Bye. 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 Bye.
Please subscribe to Brit in the Philippines.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has pleasures come, we must never stop the way. Birds chirping